Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. So today we are going to solve the second problem, that is projection of solid in model question paper 1 BTU-CAED. So the question here, it is hexagonal prism 25 mm side of base and axis height 60 mm. So first I'm going to construct the top and front view of it. So it is resting with one of its edges. Okay, so the starting here we need to construct an XY line and writing VPHP, writing the first quadrant. So watch the full video. You can able to understand all the problems related to this model question paper. So subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. Write XY, write VPHP. So to construct a hexagon, go to polygon base center command, take sides 6 and place the hexagon with respect to edge. Go to smart dimension, select any one of the sides and click on it. It will show dimension. Now you edit, type 25, enter. Okay, it will change the dimension. Since it is a new software, that is solid edge 2024, so I'm not used to this new software. Initially it will take some time. Okay, write the notations. So top face notations are visible, so that were written as A B C D E F. Okay, and bottom face notations are not visible, that are written within brackets. Okay, A1, B1 and C1, like that we write, but it should be written within brackets. So draw two diagonals, that is thin lines, to find out the center of the axis. So here center of the axis we write with O and O1. So O1 will be the bottom face center, so it is written within brackets. So draw the projection lines. So here axis height is 60 mm. So in the front view of the prism, it is a hexagonal face, rectangular face it is. So give the height 60. Yesterday I got to know the summary of my channel that around 11,000 students have been visited last week. Only 150 students have subscribed. So I want to appeal to the students that make use of this channel so that you can score well in the exam. Subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications about the related videos about this channel. Okay, so write down the front view notations which are all visible, that are written within brackets. Those which are not visible, written within brackets. So select the entire thing, use the move command. Okay, creates a copy and drag it along the XY line. Now we need to rotate. So here inclination to HP, how much they given? 45 degree. So we have to incline with respect to base edge inclination. So go to rotate, and here rotate at an angle of 45. So here the important thing here, you need to unselect the copy command because it will create the multiple copies of it. So go to rotate and select the base edge, give the angle 45 degree. Extend the axis using extend to next command. So check the angle. So angle here we're getting it is 45 degree. Now use the line and draw the projection lines downward to complete the second position top view. Okay, if any student want this particular software, that is student version Solid Edge 2024, you can comment me in the video so that I can create a link, and I'll share the link in my video description. So write the notation for the top view. So top view, in the top view bottom face it is A1 B1 C1, like that you can write down. Draw a projection line from the O also. This is O1. Same way for the top face, you can write down ABCD. So to construct the second position top view, we know it is having 3 steps. First step is constructing an outer boundary line. So join all the outer points. Now write the visible face. The top face is visible. That means top face hexagon, it is visible from the top view. Okay. This rectangular face also visible. A1 and BB1 is visible. So bottom face of the hexagon prism not visible. So it should be written with the dashed line. Part of the hexagon, base of the hexagon here. So I will be selecting the dashed line. Finally, there is an axis you can connect. Okay. Now in this problem, you just see they have given angle of inclination to axis for both HP and VP plane. We know the concept for bit angle. If the angle of inclination, if it is given with respect to axis for both HP and VP, means it is bit angle. Correct? So see the question paper. Angle of inclination to VP is 30 degree with respect to axis for the VP plane. So angle line I'm drawing here. So here the first arc length we should be drawing at 60 mm. Okay, need to find out the beta angle, right? So front view, first position front view, it is 60 mm. So draw an arc for a length of 60 mm. By taking one reference point, you can give this as O01. Now where we have cutted the arc, right? So there we need to draw an locus line, horizontal locus line. Now second position axis length we should consider. Okay, it is 42.43. So again go to arc by center. Just move the cursor on the first arc. You'll get the reference point. Now type 42.43 and cut the arc. Guys, here I'm making videos related to solid software. Why? Because 80% of the marks it is there with respect to doing in the system, that is using software. That's why I'm not doing any sketches. I'm doing only in the software. Okay, so make use of the video, because this model question paper solution I'm doing it for for the request of many of the students. So you can share to your friends and classmates in the WhatsApp group so that they also can be benefited from this video. Okay, so now we got beta angle is 45 degree. So this is O2 and this is O1. Now we need to copy the second position top view. Okay, use the move command, creates a copy of it, and then copy using the axis point O. Now rotate and then place it on the angle line. So draw the projection line upward to complete the final position. So here when you are placing it, you need to be careful. So you need to place it on the exact line. Okay, sometimes mistakes do happen, no need to worry. You can change it and place it accordingly. Now draw the projection lines upward to complete the final position. Like this randomly can draw, or there is another method by which we can connect exactly with the pinpoints. Okay, draw the projection lines like this also. Just move the cursor over that point and then bring it back, so where you want to exactly end, you can end it like this. Guys, you can subscribe to this channel and share to your friends and classmates in the WhatsApp group. They also get benefited from this. I can write the namings here. First I will start writing from the bottom face. E1, B1, C1, like that. You can see the intersection point and then write. Okay. The same way we write the notations for the top face also. I think in top face the projection lines we have not drawn properly. We do it again. So in the exam, no need to get panic, guys. You can take your own time, and the main important thing in this subject is you need a little bit of practice. You need to understand the subject properly, and then do little bit of practice. So that will be enough, so that you can easily score. So this is one of the scoring subject in engineering. Okay, so we can write down the notations like this. So here F and E are the nearest points. So if we connected with adjacent edges are the dashed lines. Okay. So now we are making the thick lines here, thick and thin lines. So here the remaining diagram we have written with the thin line. I'll making it as thick. We're selecting and making the thickness as 0.50 mm. Okay. Okay, here now the problem is completed. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Now we are moving to the problem number 3 in the model question paper 1 VTU-CAED. So question number 3, it is the isometric projection. So here given it is nothing but combination of cylinder and rectangular block. Okay, so to construct here, first we need to take one horizontal line as a reference. From this reference point I'll draw one line, that is line with an angle of 30 degree. So here I'll take 60 mm. Okay, and angle will take 30 degree, because in isometric we should use angle 30 degree. Okay, first I will be constructing an rectangular block. Okay, so here the rectangle block having base sides 30, 30 mm 30 degree, and vertical head is 60 mm, angle is 90 degree. Again, length is 30, angle is minus 150, and then vertically downward is joined with a length of 60 mm. Okay, now we have to give the width here. So width of 30 mm at an angle of 150 degree. Okay, so the same line I'm going to transfer it using move command, creates a copy, then place it like this, so it will reduce your effort. Okay, now complete it, so the rectangle block will be over. Okay, now we have to draw the cylinder. So cylinder, it is there exactly at the center of the block. So the total length it is 60, means we need to subtract by 15 mm. So just see, so watch the video till the end, you can understand. So vertically downward by 15 mm, I'm coming downward 15 90 degree, and then 30 mm, then angle of 150. Again here, now the length you require for the box, it is 30. Okay, again horizontally. So this is the box we require to construct the ellipse here. So from this corner point to the midpoint. Okay, again from this corner point to midpoint. Okay, from this corner point to midpoint. Okay, from the corner point to the midpoint, you can select the line. So now using for arc by center method, that is using arc by center method. So here we will be constructing an arc here to construct the ellipse, taking this length, draw an arc. Same way from here to here, take this length, draw an arc. Now for the third point, okay, take this as a reference point, taking this line, draw an arc. Okay, and same way here also, take this length and draw an arc. So we have completed an ellipse here. Same way we need to construct another ellipse at a distance of 60 mm. For that, as a reference, I'll be considering a length of 60 mm, then another box of ellipse I'll construct. Okay, for a reference I'll be taking this length. So length of 60, angle minus 150. Because we should be extruding at a distance of 60 mm, right? That's why I'm considering this length of 60, angle minus 150. Okay, from all the four corners of the box I'll be extending the same length 60 mm, and angle is minus 150. Okay, okay, now here we got the endpoints. Here we need to construct a box here. Okay, subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. So it is important, guys, you should go through all this model question paper. There may be chance you can get the same questions for the exam, because the question paper, it is coming from the VTU. So make sure you go through all the problems, because we don't know which problems may be coming for the exam. Okay, in each model we have 50 different questions. Okay, just go through my videos wherein I have explained the problems with all concept with less time. Okay, guys, make use of the videos, and during the exam time it is very helpful that you can revise this subject using my videos, okay? Because you may be forgetting all the concept, because the practical exam it is there after 1 month, okay? So draw a diagonal line. Okay, now join from this end to this end. Again, join from this end to this end, okay? So now we need to make these lines as thick lines, okay? So rectangular block also I'll make thick by selecting all the edges. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Now we move on to the next problem, that is development. That is question number 4. So so watch the video till the end, you can understand all the problems. So here we need to construct a square pyramid of base heads 40 mm and height 60 mm, resting with its base on HP, with all its base edges equally inclined to VP. So that means we need to construct a square lamina with respect to corner position here, okay? So square pyramid, it is resting with the corner position. Equally inclined to means it is nothing but corner position. Remember it, guys. So first I'll draw an XY line. Okay, go to rectangle by center. So take thickness 0.50 mm, give width 40 mm, height 40 mm, and angle is 45 degree, okay? Width and height both are same in square, okay? And give the angle 45 degree. Yes, you got the square lamina with respect to corner position. Measure the dimension. So here height of the square pyramid it is 60. So give the namings A, B, C, D. So since it is a pyramid, we need to draw the inside lines. The slant edges should be dark, okay? Inside line should be dark because it is a pyramid and it is having slant edges, right? O1, okay? So now draw the projection lines upward. So make sure you draw the straight lines by zooming in, okay? Just scroll it, you can zoom the. Now height given 60. So take an axis. Give the height 60 mm. Construct triangular face now. Just show the dimension. So top and front view of the square pyramid is done. Here they've given a cut plane which is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to HP, passing from the right corners of the base, right extreme corners of the base. So in the problem, right extreme corner is C dash. From C dash we have to draw an section plane at an angle of 60 degree to HP. So take section plane from the C dash end. and draw an angle line. So just randomly can draw like this, and then you can change the angle. Okay, yes, you can give how much you're getting here. Can now change it. So angle, it should be 60 degree. Okay, now we have drawn an section plane. Now we have to mark the cut points here. Okay, so cut points will be marked with the numericals. So cut point 1, it is cutting on a slant edge AO, and 2, it is cutting on a slant edge BO. Okay, and cut point, it is occurring at the extreme corner 3. Okay, 3 is occurring at C, and then 4, it is cutting at DO, that is slant edge. Okay, so cut points are mentioned, and this is what our slant edge, because the CO slant edge is parallel to XY. No need to find out extra slant edge, it is already available. So draw a straight line for length of this slant edge length. Okay, now go to arc by center and draw an arc by taking this length. So randomly you can draw an arc. Okay, no measurements, just randomly like this you can draw. Now we have to cut this arc into 4 equal parts. It is 40 mm we need to cut. So take arc by center. So from this reference point, cut a length of 40 mm. Again, cut an arc for a length of 40 mm. So that's why you give the radius 40 40. So cut it like this. Again 40 mm you need to cut. Again take reference point properly so that you can doing the problem correctly. Okay, so now join all these cut points with the vertical line. Draw triangular faces. Okay, 4 triangular faces are done. Yeah, now we have to draw an base of it. So just drawing it we can do. So now write the namings here. O, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and capital E. Okay, now these cut points, right, we need to transfer on the slant edge length. Okay, so we have marked the cut points on the yes, these cut points for the right 1 2 4 and 3 need to transfer on the slant edge. So like this you draw horizontal line till here, and then from here to here. Okay, now write this is 1, this is 2 4. Guys, it take a lot of effort to solve these problems. Okay, it is because of the request of the students I'm doing these problems. Okay, so please make use of the videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so last week around 11,000 students have visited my channel, but out of the 11,000 only some 150 students have subscribed. So it is not a good thing, guys. So whoever is watching the videos, please make sure you subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can get the latest information about this drawing subject. Okay, this is very important because you're in the first semester or the second semester. and this is one of the scoring subject, so that you can make use of it. Okay, and one of the biggest advantage of this channel is that you can revise for the exam for within a less time. Okay, because the here the videos are made according to the student mindset. Here we need to cut the arcs. Okay, arc length for 6.54 on a OA. So on two sides we need to cut this because we have OA on two sides. Yes, this is 6.44 radius. You can type and cut it. And then on OB and OD it is 12.17. Cut 12.17 on OB and OD. On both it is acting on an extreme corner, means directly we can write 3 at the cut point of, so you can mention the naming now. 1 here, also 1. Okay, sorry, that is the 1 only, not 4. This is 2 and this is 4 and this is 1 again, and 3 we are getting here. Okay, so now we need to join this. Now we need to join all the. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, you can share in the WhatsApp groups. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.